What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. You already know my name is Eboh in case you don't know. And today I am in Benin City. Benin City is located in Edo State. It's actually the capital city of Edo State. And you already know I'm here once again. Okay, this will be my second time in this city. So today I came so that we can explore the city and show you guys how this city looks like. I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this very one. So by the way, I just landed at the city and I'm waiting for a subscriber. So he's gonna be my tour guide. He's gonna be the one that will take me around the city and show me where and where not to go. So guys, stay tuned. Go get any refreshment you can lay your hands on. Let's explore the city. I'm far, bro.
I swear, I can't believe, I swear.
Oh, no. Good to see you.
I can't believe.
You're already on camera.
Oh, wow. I can't believe. I watch you all the time.
Really?
I can't believe. Like, I swear, I can't believe. In my mind, I'm like, I did go see this celebrity. Yes,
I never reach. Nice to see you. So this is Chido's here. He's one of my subscribers, so he's here to take me around Benin City. So you guys stay tuned. Let's explore the city. Yes, so let's move.
Definitely. Either I'm watching your stuff or tired.
So when you watch my video, you enjoy my video?
Yes, because it's very real.
Yeah, exactly. Reality.
Yes, it's very real. When I've never commented on Tayo Aina's videos because it seems, even though it's Tayo Aina's video is aspirational, you are just thinking, oh, I can get there. Yeah. Your videos is, I'm right here. Do you get?
Yeah, I get you.
So it's like I'm right here. Tayo Aina is like aspirational. Oh, one day I will get to maybe this 47 million naira house. So that's just it. Wow. Quite surprising. So they've been basically.
Yeah.
It's an extremely rough city.
It's not calm now by now.
Right now, during the day.
No, I mean in general.
Okay, in general, yeah, it's been calm for the past, let's say, a year and 6 months, but they just started fighting again. Yeah, obviously. So I heard they are fighting for vigilante position.
The head of vigilante?
Yeah. Captain Osa. This was the most powerful man in Benin City.
So that's his house?
Yeah. He's dead.
So what made him powerful? Is he a military man or what?
No. He used to be a pilot, but he became very wealthy. So for a long time, he was the wealthiest young man in Benin. So he held a lot of influence politically. A lot of people were even saying, run. But you are very handsome, very young. But he didn't run. Very extremely powerful. They shut down Benin for him. so they call it aka Reservation Road.
Okay, Reservation Road or
Yeah.
Golf Course Road.
Yes.
So the most expensive,
It's going
if
to
I
be-
may ask.
It's going to be the most exclusive. You can see new buildings are coming. They are already demolishing old buildings,
And building new
replacing
ones.
them with new ones, then selling them for an astronomical amount. So this entire area, and this is where Captain Osa's house is also.
Who? Captain who?
Captain Osa, the one I told you,
told me
is
about,
one of the
okay.
most successful men. Yeah.
So this is the bad side of
The road.
bad side of the road.
Yeah. And the funny thing is, when I was much younger,
Yeah.
I had a best friend or a close friend.
So right now we are at the restaurant. So Chido have been taking me around the city so far. We've been like driving around the city, and I've been documenting the ones I can and the ones I cannot. And right now our bellies are empty. We want to get some food. So currently I'm at the Yomis. Where is Yomis located? Where is Yomis located? I mean, what's wrong with here?
It's a second floor.
Second box. UGB. Okay, second board. Okay. So Yomis are the second on board. This is where we're gonna have our lunch.
Eighteen, 19, 20.
So guys, I have here white rice and stew and fish. So that's what we're having for lunch, and I'll see you when I'm done with the food. People are coming in on
A lot. The former place was even busier.
no cap.
It's different there.
So apparently after my lunch, and I decided to go look for a hotel. So I've gotten in a hotel, so I had like, you know, a short nap, and I decided to, you know, to come outside the hotel and stroll around to see what's really going on. So currently the time now is 5:30 p.m. Seriously, like, there's nothing much going on here in Benin City. So but let's just walk around. Since it's evening, I believe this is the right time, this is the rush hour. So let's just see if we can find anything interesting. So basically I'll be showing you guys like the view of the the streets, and just, you know, I'm just gonna be walking around randomly, nothing much. So I don't know why I'm not really excited about the city. Actually, this is my second time and I'm still not yet excited about the city. So I'm gonna do as much as I can to show you guys how this city looks like and what's really going on currently. So right now I'm around my hotel area, so I'm going to twist the camera around just to show you guys the current location where I am and what's really going on. So we're about to enter the rush hour. So this is my current location. So actually I'm going to be doing a freestyle video. I don't even know where I'm going to be going. So that's a very nice hotel right there. What's it called? Uyi Grand Hotel and Suites. It's actually a nice one. So mine is towards that side. I think I'm gonna cross. So actually that's the hotel right here, Uyi Grand Hotel and Suites. It's actually a very big one. It's a massive one. So as you can see, that's how the city is looking. So guys, I'm going to check out any signpost I see just to let you guys know the current location I've been, or the name of this area, the name of the street. I've forgotten the name of my subscriber told me it is. I have to check it out. I'll let you guys know. Ade. I don't know this place actually. Sorry. So I think I'm gonna go towards this road. I don't know. So guys, check out this hotel. This is also another hotel. There's something I noticed about this area. There's a lot of hotels built here. So I was actually talking hold on. So I was actually discussing with my subscriber Chidozie, the one that took me around earlier in the afternoon. So he was actually telling me the reason why there are so many hotels, because here in Benin City they have a very nice nightlife. So most times people do come around in the night. People do come out in the night to do their stuff and all that. So that's why you see a lot of hotels around. And definitely you already know that I'm definitely gonna make a nightlife video about this city. I hope I get a sight there maybe later in the evening, because so far I'm not really feeling the city. I don't know why. I wish I can say otherwise, but I don't know why. I'm not really feeling the city at all. So it is what it is. I'm a night person. Hopefully I'll get better in the night. So guys, when I was coming around, so I was having this thought of, you know, exploring Benin City, in a very different way. But when I came in, what I saw is totally different from what I'm seeing, from what I expected. So you guys bear with me, you know, just take it as you see it. And I thought I'm bad pass. So we gotta work with what we have, right? Yeah, so that's what we're doing right here. So if you're not been to Benin City, or if you have not been there or know how the atmosphere of the Benin City is, so ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm in Benin City in Edo State, actually the capital of Edo State, like I told you guys earlier. So I'm just strolling around the street to see what to find and what not to find. So that's just the facts. Oh, that's a nice house there. It's actually a very small duplex. It's actually nice. You guys cannot see from here. Okay. Yes. So I think I'm going to stop a keke just to, you know, make my movements very easy and there you go, just to make my movement very easy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use keke. I don't even know where to tell him that I'm going. How far now? You dey go Ring Road side? Ring Road. Where you dey go?
Now about the
I make I follow you go there.
yeah.
I don't know where they go, but carry me go around. How much you go collect? Why you dey laugh now? I don't know where they go. I say make I just throw around the shit you get. Make I just throw around, make I see what they happen for Benin. What did they call this area?
Second Eboh.
Huh?
Second Eboh.
Second Eboh, okay. So guys, I'm in the second Eboh city. And let's see if we can find anything interesting. You already know I don't know where I'm going. I'm just moving about. Okay. It's gonna give me a good view. What things they happen for safety now? You don't be Benin person, don't be Benin boy. Stop me here now. I don't know again. So guys, I think I'm gonna drop. I think I'm gonna drop here. How much I go give you? Or make I dey go? Not free. In the laugh. How much I go give you? Give me change. Give me change. Like I just walk. I say you don't know it. You don't know anywhere for here. Now wow. Oh yeah now. Bye bye. So basically guys, I'm all lost. I keep on strolling. So this one is kind of like a freestyle video just to, you know, take you guys around. It is what it is. I think I saw somewhere they're selling corn. I think I have to go over there and get some corn for myself. At least if I don't know what to do, let me chop corn and be also be moving about. Now well done, what is that? Well done. Oh.
Thank you.
Amen.
How much are you there, sir? Eh? Abi, you know they see me, Abi, are they invisible? Are they invisible? You know they see me. 150. Yes. Which one are they use? Pear there?
Yes.
Give me pear. Give me one, give me pear. You don't done?
Yes. The money now you should buy.
So guys, I think I saw before we got to this junction, I think I saw a lounge or a bar. I think I'm gonna go head inside the bar just to see how the place is like and what's really going on there. And if it's an exciting place, I'm gonna sit over and chill for the moment before I find anything else interesting that I might show you guys. But so far, keep on enjoying my face, keep on, you know, keep on viewing the face. It's very handsome, right? So it is what it is. This junction, what's it called? BIO. So guys, I was told that the junction where the keke guys stopped me was the BIO junction. So if you are in Benin or if you know about Benin, you should know BI junction, BIO junction, exactly. So around it there is a college very close to it, Peace College. It's a daycare, nursery and primary and secondary school. And all right, thank you. Where the pear? I go chop on with pear. All right, guys, it's actually a sweet corn. It's nice. Have you tried this corn before? Or do you like it roasted? Sometimes it depends on the mood. It depends on the mood. Sometimes I like it cooked, boiled, or sometimes I like it roasted. But so far now today, as of now, I like it roasted. I like it cooked or boiled. How much? I collect. You get 300, I make I give you 15 naira. So guys, I'll go from here. Let's continue with our movement with our strolling around the streets of Benin. So I think I'm gonna go to that bar I just told you guys. So it's not far from here. I think it's ahead of us. So we keep moving. The light is already low. So let's see what we can do with this short time we have. So guys, look at the tree, pear tree. So there's a lot of pears in the tree, but it's not yet ripe. Wow, that's nice. So the bar I'm going to go in is called Rehab. Rehab. Wow. At first I thought it was an hospital. So that's the Yummies right there. It's actually a very small restaurant, but their food are very nice. So I can, confidently tell you, visit Yummies for your nice food. And that's Rehab. And right now I'm about to go into Rehab and let's see what's really going on in Rehab. Okay, that's Rehab. They have a car wash and car wash and car park. So I'm gonna get myself a seat. It's actually a nice place. I think I'm gonna get myself a seat. They have a live band. I see what's really going on. Okay, I think I'm gonna sit here. Oh. So guys, we are here. I think I'm gonna chill a bit here, then think of next location I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go for a beer, a bottle of beer. Do you have good bag? Good bag. What about Budweiser? Budweiser is how much? Huh? Good bag is how much? Which one is more original? You don't drink beer. You don't drink alcohol.
I don't drink.
Which one do you drink?
I drink soft drink.
Bullet Enko. Which alcohol do you take? You say you don't drink beer, but you take alcohol. You just told me that right now.
I don't drink alcohol. It's only energy drink and something.
Energy drink is not alcohol now.
I don't drink beer. I don't drink alcohol.
Wine. They drink wine. Red wine. Huh?
I drink wine.
Alcohol is in wine now. It's not that strong alcohol. But there's an alcohol. You know what? Okay, get me a good bag. Let me try good bag. Yeah. Get me glass also. So guys, I think I'm gonna do more, talk more about this city when I'm done, when I've seen the nightlife and the whole thing before I can give you what I think. Actually, it's gonna be in the conclusion of this video. So stay tuned and don't change the dial. So guys, that's the live performance stage right there. You can see. So I'm still waiting for my beer to be here. There is my beer right here. My beer has arrived. So that's a good bag. Thank you. Do you have the opener? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, what up? You said? I'm making a vlog. I don't understand. Why is it? It's a video of myself. You understand? No, I was actually pointing at the stage. I was saying this is a live stage performance. Then back to my beer. So I was actually making a vlog about myself, you know. So wait, video is not allowed here. What?
Not like that. We bring to our notice first.
No, I'm not shooting now. If I'm shooting a movie or
I know, like you're
film.
doing it your phone, like
Okay.
like you're doing a selfie.
Yeah.
When you're holding this one, you're like doing something like.
No. I'm actually making a vlog about myself. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber, so I make videos like when I travel, I document my travel, basically about myself, what I'm doing, my activities. and everything. So I'm not actually videoing anything that is not, within my capabilities. You understand what I mean? So it's personal. It's not like public something. It's my personal movement, my personal documentary. Sure you get? All right, no wala. So basically, normal thing every day. People who are so nervous about the camera, but it is what it is. Let's pour some drink. Let's pour some beer. I don't know why. I can't really tell. I pray in the near future the narration is gonna be different, or maybe the perspective whereby people see camera is gonna be a different thing. That when they see camera, they are not gonna be bothered. But to that time, we're still gonna be doing what we're doing. So guys, a sip of beer for you.
Go out for me, like you're too.